Today I am discussing about AMP 2.8 drone building tutorial. As you can see on the computer screen. Welcome to the paper plane, your ultimate destination for all things DIY. If you are ever dreamed and if you are ever talking and taking to the skies with your very own self drone, you are for an exhilarating adventure. In this tutorial, we will guide you through the process of creating a high-flying marvel using the AMP 2.8 flight controller board. Don't worry if you are a new drone building. Our step-by-step instructions and simple to follow steps will ensure that even beginners can embark on his exciting journey. So grab your tools, ignite your curiosity, and let's set the sail into the world in the drone creation. Get ready to the witness supplies as you can see on the computer screen. Drone frame, AMP 2.8 flight controller, radio transmitter and receiver, T300 mAh battery, XT60 connector, soldering iron, battery charger, wire cutter, micro USB cable, cable ties. Step 1, soldering the ESCS. As you can see on the computer screen, soldering the ESCS electronic speed controllers with the power distribution board is a crucial step in assembling your drone. The ESCS are responsible for controlling the speed and direction of the monitors and the motors, while the power distribution board ensures efficient power supply and power delivery to each ESC. To begin, ensure that you have striped the ends of the ESC wires, exposing the bare copper strands. Then carefully solder each ESC wire and then the designated pads on the power distribution board. It's important to apply the right amount of the heat and solder to create a secure connection. Take care of the avoid and solder bridges and soles between adjacent one solder. Double click and double check each connection to ensure that are solid and many to loose ends. This step ensures reliable power transmission and smooth motor operation during the flight. Remember to follow proper safety precautions while working with soldering irons. Step 2, assembling the frame. As you can see on the computer screen, assembling and screwing the frame parts of your drone is essential for creating an sturdy and well-structured aerial platform. Gather all the frame components and necessary screws. Align the arms and main body as instructed using appropriate screws to security and attach them to avoid over tightening to prevent damage or strip threads. Tighten screws in a diagonal pattern for balanced tension. Double check alignment and stability, ensuring no wobbling. A rigid frame enables stable flight and better control. Follow any specific guidelines for your frame model with attention to detail. This step is brings you out very. Step 3, screwing the motors. Screwing the motors, brushless DC motors, onto the frame is a critical step in assembling your drone. Start by identifying the motor mounting holes on the frame and aligning them with the corresponding holes on the motor. Insert the screws through the frame and screw them into the motor using a screwdriver or a hex key, ensuring a secure fit. As you can see on the computer screen, with the help of